Hello, I'm Patrick Kennedy, an Application Technical Lead for Pathology Imaging at Leica Biosystems. Today, I'll walk you through general guidelines for preparing digital-ready slides. Let's look at some common slide preparation issues that can cause handling errors in a scanner. Number 1, overhanging or skewed cover slip. An overhanging or skewed cover slip can lead to loading and unloading errors. It may prevent the slide from sitting flat in the tray, causing it to shift during the scan. Number 2, overhanging label. An overhanging label can also cause loading or unloading errors. Residue from the label may transfer to the pusher assembly, affecting subsequent slides. 3, excessive mounting media. Excessive mounting media around slide edges can lead to debris buildup in the slide rack slots, causing slides to stick. Over time, this can create buildup on the tray opening, increasing the likelihood of handling errors. Number 4, debris on slide bottom. Debris on the bottom of the slide can create a catch point during loading or unloading, leading to handling errors. Number 5, label on slide backside. A label on the backside of a slide can also create a catch point, causing handling errors. Number 6, proper tissue placement. Place the tissue in the middle of the slide, away from the edges, label, and other markings. Ensure the cover slips cover all the tissue and the label does not cover any tissue. Number 7, air bubbles. Air bubbles can lead to imaging quality errors and cause issues with focus points. By following these tips, you can minimize slide handling errors and ensure smoother scanning. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.